Hey guys, this is Doug with Fix It. Looks like I've got a boiler leak. The boiler's in the loft, the bedroom's right underneath it. You can hear it dripping away. It's probably a condenser trap blockage. So we're going to open this old school iMini 30, whatever it's called, iMini 30 up. And it's pretty easy to open up. All you do is, you see these little clips down here? Can you see that? These? Just pull them on both sides, that one there, and the whole case would actually just come straight off. So 1 second, you can see it's actually just starting to come off. Just lift it off like that, put it to the side, and then we'll look at the rest of this. So I think it's the condenser trap. They can get blocked, they can get full up. So what we're going to then do is actually just unclip this from up here. You see this? We're going to unclip this and bring this panel down so we can get a good view. And you can see there's water in there lying around, and it's dripping straight into the room below since last night. And this thing is full of crap. So make sure your boiler's off. So I've powered it off. What I'm going to do is I'm actually just going to remove this hose. Once that's out, I should just be able to twist this and pull it out, I think. And then we're going to give this a good rinse and a good clean. You can see it's full of gunk. I think this is the blockage, so the water's not leaving through this white pipe out to the outside, or the condensation is starting to collect, and this thing is full of dirt. Look. So I think that's the leak. We need to just give this a little dry, but let me go wash this out first and then we'll take it from there. So you can see it's full. I think there's a lot of sick at the bottom, so we're just going to empty this out, maybe. Give it a rinse under the tap, get it all fully cleaned out. Let's try both, but if you just let's just pour this out. Look at that. Some kind of trap, isn't it? So we're gonna have to give it, there's a lot of stuff stuck in here. Just keep getting it out. Fill it out with water and let it do it. Flush out the bottom. There's a lot, look, you see all the stuff floating around in there. A lot of dirt. Okay, that side looks clear now. Look, there's a lot of dirt compacted right at the bottom here. Can you see it? Stuck to the bottom. So we need to get that out, otherwise we'll have to replace this. And that's what's causing the blockage, I think. So the pipe pulls the water in, but then it just fills up around this hole. There's a lot of dirt and grit. You can see it in the sink. It's starting to clear out, but we need to actually just maybe try and tap this out. Yeah, you see it's starting to come out. There, look. There we go. Oh, it's nearly gone. Awesome. Look at that. Let's give it another rinse under the tap, flood it, and see if we can clear out the rest. Alright, this is how it looks now. 99% cleaned. Hopefully it shouldn't leak now, unless we have a leak somewhere else. But what we're going to do is we're going to dry this up a little bit. You can see there's still quite a bit of water collected. So we're going to dry this up with some kitchen towel. And then hopefully put this thing back together, and that should be it. Fingers crossed. So I've managed to put it back in nice and clean, so that shouldn't leak anymore. There might be another leak coming from the back, but we'll have to investigate that afterwards. But anyway, the condenser tank is in, cleaned up, ready to go. All the piping's reconnected anyway, so that's it. Easy peasy. Just remember, you just pull this off, just pull this rubber hose off, and then just twist this this way, and then you can actually just remove it completely then give it a good rinse under the tap, and you should be good to go. Thanks for watching some of the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.